So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eleonora, and I'm from the Institute for Transport and Logistics. We are based in Bologna, and today I'm here together with Mr. Missen, which I'm going to ask to join me later on stage to present the Award of Success, which concerns innovation in construction logistics policies in urban areas. So the Institute for Transport and Logistics, as part of the Success Project, led the joint transfer exercise, which consisted in a series of workshops, which took place from September 2017 to November 2017. They took places in different cities in Europe, in Bologna, in Brussels, and in Koper, which is in Slovenia. And we had the great pleasure of meeting many cities that were interested in construction logistics. And I will just mention the 12 cities that we involved. Antwerp, Brussels, Durres, Genoa, Graz, Koper, Limassol, London, Rijeka, Roma, Trieste, and Turin. So it was really a pleasure to see that there were so many cities that were interested to talk about construction logistics, what their actions were, and what they could do in the future. So in these 3 workshops, we talked about what they could do, as well as what success has done and what they can take out from success and bring to their own experience. We also found that many of those cities are actually quite advanced, so we have to learn from them, and they were actually really good at transferring to us what they have experienced in these years that they've been running different projects. So in this context, we have met many cities, and some of them were truly outstanding. And for this reason, we looked at their technical analysis and also the policy actions that they carried out, but also the transferability of their actions. And we have found a very, very outstanding case. And for that reason, I'm going to ask Robert Missen to join me on stage to tell you which one that is. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for inviting me here today to present the prize. Yes, the winner of the prize for on the Horizon 2020 Success Project is the Transport for London, so the City of London. I note that when I visit London on a regular basis, there's a lot of construction going on. 35% of lorries running around in the city are actually generated by the construction sector. There have been huge infrastructure projects going on, Crossrail and Battersea Power Station being the 2 probably most visible examples. And London's won this project with its approach to urban logistics with the construction industry, rather than just ignoring them or even working against industry. London has built a know-how in how to deal with urban freight planning, and equally importantly, that they're willing to share this with other cities. So I'd like to thank your active participation in this. It's extremely important what you've been done here. Congratulations on winning this, please. Thank you very much. Yep. Whilst I'm here, we're going to use the opportunity for the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding by the novelog-project and the CIVITAS Satellite project. So Polis, can I invite Karin, you to do the necessary?
Okay, so I have to do it. So I'm very happy that we signed, on behalf of the consortium of Novelog, we signed this agreement with Polis and as representatives of the CIVITAS Satellite project, in order the project to take up the tools of Novelog and make sure that they will be available for other cities outside Novelog. We make this discussion for similar cooperations also with the ALICE knowledge platform. So I'm sure in the next months we're going to have more cooperations in order to give possibility to cities to use the and enrich the novelog tools. Thank you. Karen?
Yes, also from our side, so that's both the CIVITAS Satellite project, which is there to promote the outcomes of CIVITAS 2020 projects, and from the side of the Polis network, we're happy to be able to contribute to ensuring that these projects do not stop here with the official ending date, let's say, but that we can create a legacy that is long-lasting and that we can make sure that the tools are taken up by a wider group of cities and will continue to be available beyond the duration of the project. So I'm happy to sign this MoU as well from our side. I would have expected a golden pen though, but still, we'll do it with what we have.
I'm glad to see you being very wise with the money. But from the European Commission point of view, we're delighted to see such a memorandum being signed, because it's all well and good to do individual projects there with a finite life, but we want to see a force multiplier, and that is value added when we invest in projects. And so to see a continuation after the formal ending of projects is the perfect scenario as far as the Commission is concerned. So I thank both organisations for this. Thank you very much.